that we contract voluntarily, those are controlled by the motor portion of the nervous system. And this is the point, okay? Basically, we have three different types of muscles, the smooth and the cardiac muscles. Those are kind of autonomic. So, and we're gonna focus on the skeletal muscles. We have almost 600 of those muscles all around the body. And all of them are connected directly to any of these nerves right here. The yellow ones represent the nerves, okay? These nerve roots controls all of the single functions of almost all of them, all of the skeletal muscles. See? In that case, so we basically have control of this, and we have plasticity of movement, and we have our structure. Okay, so this is a picture, this is a public picture. It's kind of what it's showing about. Basically, how the muscles get affected. This is, by my experience, we have different options to have issues in the muscle system. The main one is gonna be because of weakness. If the person is sedentary, it's gonna be probably the most probably cause is gonna be upper and lower cross syndrome. Upper is round shoulders like this and forward head posture like this, and lower is people that sits like, you can imagine, you know how they sit. Okay, so in this type of cases, this is very common in people, and the gamers, for example, and even the chair for the gamers are made to do that type of posture. So it's affecting directly how they are interacting right now. So, and even for athletes, that's another presentation. For athletes, the problem with them is if they don't do a real good general preparation. The preparation for athletes is for seasons, okay, for stages. So there is a stage called general preparation, in which every single tiny muscle have to be strength, healed, and be ready to keep loading more and more stress on them. So if they don't have this type of general preparation, that is going to present later on at all in the preparation, okay, and it's going to affect the performance of the athletes, okay. So the second one, and this is the main one for me, is the weak neural control. When we have weak neural control, that means that these nerves are not getting control 100% from the brain down to the different muscles. And what that happens is when, for example, an athlete wanted to perform even harder and harder, but the body doesn't respond. Is when they say, I don't have the feeling today, I don't feel well, and that feeling means it's not connected basically properly from the brain down to the different muscles. So for that reason, chiropractic is helping greatly athletes. The last Olympic Summers in Rio 2016, Dr. William Moreau, he was the chief medical officer, and he was a chiropractor. So basically, chiropractic is the crucial specialized that can help you if you have any type of skeletal muscle condition as well. So another option as well that can affect greatly the muscles, the skeletal muscle, could be because of overworked muscles. If you work too much with some certain type of muscles and others are weaker, so probably that's going to present as well, at all as well. The other one could be lack of nutrients. The skeletal muscle needs calcium, needs potassium, needs magnesium, needs a B complex, basically. All of these are nutrients essentially for the brain, for the nervous system, and for the muscles to interact properly. If you have any issues because of the nutrition, you're probably going to have cramps. It's very common in the legs or even the arms. So, or in general, if it's too much, the lack of the nutrients itself. Okay, so that's another presentation, or maybe other one could be traumas. If you have any disc herniation, This is the representation of the disc, in the vertebral disc. If you have any disc bulging or herniation, if you have any intervertebral foramen encroachment, this foramen right here, for the hole for the nerves, they become shrink. So if you have any issues in that foramen, that is also another situation as well. Any type of space occupying lesions like tumors or something like that, that is something more in deep. So you need more evaluation and more details to make sure you don't have any issues whatsoever in that part. So if you are on time to get the right evaluation, to get the proper examination and treatment, that's the crucial key to maintain and find a new level of performance or a new level of wellness. And that's the key, and that's the crucial point. And the point as well is, if you don't go to the right specialized, you're gonna start treating compensatory mechanism. A compensatory mechanism, for example, right here, if I have an scoliosis in my lumbar spine that is tilting me this way, the body's not gonna be like this all the time. So basically my innate intelligence is gonna tell me to go this way. So I'm gonna be crooked, but if I correct here, that is the compensation, I'm gonna be again like this, but I'm not correcting the real cause that probably is gonna be in the pelvis, or even it's gonna be a upper cervical issue. So you need the right examination and the right treatment, okay? So for that reason, I present chiropractic. Chiropractic is helping patients with the motor system being affected since a long time ago. And right now, for example, like I said, for the Olympic Games, the chief officer was a chiropractor. I have another friend, he's a colleague, he's even a mentor in a company that I am member of, is Dr. Ben Lerner. He is an amazing doctor, and he was the one of the main chiropractors for the USA wrestling team. So basically this is growing up, and the people is creating more awareness about what chiropractic can do for them, and this is growing. Okay, so I wanted to explain to you this in details to have a better idea about how chiropractic can help you to overcome any type of issues in your muscles, in your body performance. Okay, so this is Dr. C, day 4 of Done is Perfect Challenge. I was explaining today the benefits of chiropractic for the motor system, division of the nervous system, and the muscles, the skeletal muscle itself. Okay, have a great day, and if you have any questions, any suggestion, just let us know. Okay, and we are here to help you. Okay, have a great day, guys. Bye bye.